Hi all, welcome to my channel Talent Tab. In my previous video, I told you that all the vowels have two sounds, short sound and long sound. So when do vowels give short sound? When there is one vowel in a word, either at the beginning, as in egg, or between two consonants, as in hat, it usually has the short vowel sound. These three-letter words where the vowel gives short sound are also known as Cvc words, as they follow consonant vowel consonant pattern. So now let's see how to teach children to decode these short sound words. K, a, t, cat. B, a, g, bag. V, a, n, van. H, e, n, hen. B, e, d, bed. P, e, t, pet. K, I, d, kid. P, I, g, pig. W, I, n, win. K, o, p, cop. L, o, g, log. P, o, t, pot. K, b, cub. S, n, sun. H, t, hut. In my next video, I'll be telling you when do vowels give long sound. Stay tuned, be at home, stay safe.